So we just made this a little bit smaller and put it on the bottom.
Damn, boy.
What do you think?
Ooh, juicy.
What's up, guys? It's Tyler. We're headed to OneEighty Designs. Gonna go pick up the Camaro. Big reveal, wrap, livery. We'll see how it is.
Oh, sick. Wow.
It made kind of a funky smiley face.
Yeah. That's alright, we can always put more of them.
So we just made this a little bit smaller and put it on the bottom.
Damn, boy.
What do you think?
Ooh, juicy. Holy shit.
Oh, crap.
Oh my god. Yeah, you can't. I want to drive it though. Yeah.
That looks so good.
Perfect.
Yes.
Yeah, I figured it. You wouldn't care, you know.
Dude, there's a hotness level of like 8 Fendi. Okay, I'm sorry, you guys did way too good of a job on this car. Just take it off and start again.
Have you guys ever had anything else wrapped or anything? Yeah.
Oh yeah, we have like I have the ATS outside. You see it. So it's just a simple charcoal gray. Like,
okay.
But it's just a regular wrap. It's not like
a printed
thing. Like,
yeah.
Wow.
All right, guys, here it is. Just picking it up from OneEighty, and I mean, it's phenomenal. It blew away all my expectations. I think it looks awesome. I mean, let us know what you guys think, but I'm impressed. We got Jason from OneEighty here. Just want to say thanks for the phenomenal job.
No, we appreciate being a part of the project. It was fun. You know, it took us a few days to do a total install. Other than that, I mean, everything lined up perfect. Both sides are spot on.
Yeah.
We use a premium Livery film. You got a high gloss finish, cast material. I mean, it's going to last the life of the vehicle. And
sweet.
We're excited to get some track pictures of this thing. And
yeah, it's going to look good. We're going down Tail of the Dragon. It's going to look awesome down there. And then next year, out on the track. And we'll be back with more cars.
We definitely appreciate it. Sure.
Yeah, we're ready.
Take my shirt off by the car. I said we had to get Drake out here. He was going to be hyped.